guys, this is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Outcast RTR EXB 8S, and I got the Redcat Vigilante 8S. I'm out here. I'm gonna run these trucks today because I'm trying to figure out, like, I did run the videos with these before and they both held it down, especially the Vigilante with these back flips on there. But the Outcast, I got these Proline Badlands MK 48s on there, and these is no ballooning. It can hold it down a lot better, and I wanted to test that out today to see that I find a perfect tire for that. Now these tires is perfect for the Vigilante. They are perfect. Got air control now, give it a little more speed. But let's get into it. First up is Vigilante is a beast, man. Don't get it twisted. The V8 is a monster. Yo. So far, this car hasn't disappointed me this summer. Only problems I had with this car was the rear disc, so you gotta be aware of that, and the screws not Loctited all around. Check all screws. I usually don't get into this jump until later on in the bash, but let's go hard on it. Another thing with this car is the battery straps, either the side and the battery connectors. That's about it. That's a lot when you think about it, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Straighten those things out. Oh. Didn't act like it didn't want to come up when I did that though.
Yo, check this out.
Sound like something. Sound like them gears went again. Come on, Vigilante, don't do this to me. Batteries came unplugged. No power. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Be right back. I'm surprised the battery didn't come unplugged. I hear it clicking from that rear. Yeah, it's broken. The rear is done again. This is becoming a problem, man. not good. Changed the rear outer gears. The inner was fine, but it looked like it went out on me again. Try to determine which one it is. I mean, I know what it is. Oh my God. Know what it is? I'm babying it now because of that noise, because I usually don't crash this much. Yeah, I babied it. You know, I usually do a strong flyby. I was going to do a speed test, and lucky for me I didn't. But this thing lost all power. I mean, not power. The gear is messed up now, so I'm definitely going to be scared to get it up to speed, but I'm going to try this. Yo, but she is a rocket still, even on that bad gear. Almost hit that pole. Yo. Yeah, she probably overheated. Battery died or heated, one of the two, if not both. But now, let's pull out the Outcast. You can tell these tires is heavier than the factory. It do stay down though. this thing a beast. Yo. These tires making the handling a lot better too. I don't really know too much if I like them better than the factory tires, but it keeps it down a lot better. It's, to me, it feels like it reduces the speed. Perfect. Still a stunt truck without the back grips on there. I better make this a little faster and get into different stuff, because for one, it's going to heat up faster because of these tires. Arrma tough, baby. Or at least I think. Oh my God. I'm like an all-around basher, like riding through rocks and dirt and grass and street jumps if I get the opportunity. Not too crazy with the jumps, but not too crazy. Yo. That's the standard you gotta stand up to when it comes to fifth scales with me, is the Outcast. I got my Vigilante close. Oh shoot, I didn't even see you. Yeah, but I don't know that. Oh, it look like I broke something. I see what it is. I broke the rear tie rod. I was giving it to you though, wasn't I? That's simple. I got plenty of those. What that's gonna do is knock the dog bone out, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop while I knock the dog bone out. Yeah, I'm gonna put them up on the table, give you my final thoughts. Damn. Yo, these things are beasts, man. The Outcast, I broke the tie rod, the rear tie rod. The V8, I think the rear diff is going again. Not too sure, but I'm quite sure that's what it is. Maybe the center. Both of them are monsters, man. Outcast still wins it though. Outcast still hold the ranking top fifth scale in my collection. In the comments below, let me know your thoughts. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching.
Well done.